We are a custom luxury camper vans builder situated in Brooklyn, and we are specialized in Mercedes Sprinter's platform. We have the focus of building high design, the latest, greatest technology improved in all the vehicles, and also we do pay a lot of attention on the background and the dreams of our clients and what they want inside the vans.
Back here at Brooklyn Camper Vans in East Williamsburg, New York, today Leah's back on the channel. She's going to give us a tour of this Sprinter 144 all-wheel drive custom camper van creation. So join us.
Hey Patrick, welcome back. My name is Leah. I'm the First Lady of Brooklyn Camper Vans. We're based out of East Williamsburg in Brooklyn, New York. We are a luxury camper van conversion company and we focus on the Mercedes Sprinters. We focus on design, functionality, quality, and value for our customers. Today I'm going to show you a brand new conversion we've done. This is a 2023 Mercedes Sprinter. It's on a 144 wheel base. It's all-wheel drive with a diesel engine. Starting on the outside, we have Rhino rims and upgraded tires. We also put rally lights up top. There's a Fiamma awning, as well as 500 watts of solar and a roof deck. A roof deck is an absolute must, if I have to say. It's a great way to watch the sunset, have a little happy hour. Out front here, we have our electric running board. Makes it a lot easier to get in and out of the van. And this van, we really wanted to do a darker build. We love the look of a darker build, but we also warmed it up with some natural wood finishes, as well as a pop of color with the sage green wall lime wash paint. Starting over here with our passenger and driver swivel seat, we also have extra storage up here. There's a pull down projector screen so you can watch movies. We have a hidden magnetic ceiling mount for the projector that you can put up when you want to watch a movie. The Max Air fan. Moving over here to the bathroom, we have this beautiful tile backsplash against the wall. There is a Laveo dry flush toilet. Everything's self-contained in this toilet. It vacuum seals the waste, pulls it down. There's about 20 of these dry flushes before you just take it out, throw it out like regular trash. Really a great way not to have to deal with black water or any mess. It's completely self-contained. This also removes so you can take a shower without having to sit on the toilet. Here we have the Nevia shower head. This uses water more efficiently. We also have a self-squeegeeing shower door. Over here, we're not showing it right now, but there is a lagoon table that comes out here so you can have some space for eating and working on a computer or whatever you need. Behind the walls, we have sheep's wool insulation as well as above on the ceiling here. We also have LED puck lights here that are controlled by a light switch here as well as a dimmer. Over here, we have our EcoFlow power station. This monitors your battery levels. You can also control which appliances that are connected to the battery turn on and off. You have your Webasto temperature gauge here for the heater. And right here, we have a home outlet so you can plug in appliances or whatever you need. In our kitchen, we have a 2-burner induction stove top, a beautiful light oak countertop. We have a Dometic fridge and freezer. And then you have some storage here with these soft closed drawers. They also don't have handles, so you're not going to get caught while you're walking in the galley area. Over on this side, we have our sink, our water pump. We also have our pitch and roll as well as our fresh and gray water monitor. You have your light switch as well as the dimmers for this side of the cabin, and then another home outlet right here. Below here, we have some beautiful accent lighting, give it a nice, warms up the space a little bit, as well as some more storage and our hot water heater. That's 5-gallon hot water heater there for taking showers, warm watering of the sink. Up here we have our microwave, and we also have our gray water release button, as well as a gray water heater. So if you're in colder climates where there's a chance that your plumbing is going to freeze, this will make sure that there's no issues there. Down here on the bottom, we have a 12-volt socket. If we move along, we also have More storage up here. We also have a 360-degree camera so you can see what's going on in your van at all times. It also has night vision. This monitor you can actually take out and take with you anywhere around the van, so it doesn't need to just stay in here. Up top we have our Dometic AC unit. Over here we equipped it with bump out so people who are over 6 feet tall can sleep comfortably in this configuration. This is also a full-size bed that pops up into a couch. And now you're able to relax, enjoy that projector screen, enjoy a movie, and just have another option for your bed area. Down below, we also have our cat/doggy door. This also gives you access to your cargo area. You could also put larger equipment like skis through here. So now I'm going to take you around back to show you our cargo area and some of the other features that we have. But first I'm going to stop here. We have our shore power socket right here. And moving back along to the cargo area, we put a ton of power back here. We have 3 5-kilowatt-hour batteries. That gives you 15 kilowatt-hours of total power. We really wanted to add a lot of power in here because we put a lot of different features and amenities here. So we wanted to make sure you were able to roam around, stay off grid for a long time without having to worry about having to plug in, and you could really have the freedom to go out and about for as long as you want. In addition, we also put in a 40-gallon water tank, another way that you're able to stay off grid for long periods of time. We have our Starlink router right here. We have Starlink actually mounted with a custom bracket up top, so you don't need to fiddle around with it every time you go to a new spot. Another great thing about the EcoFlow, it's very compact, self-contained, and robust. So if you're throwing your gear back here, it's likely you're not going to damage it. But you do have a 5-year warranty, so that gives you some peace of mind that you can have this equipment for a long time. All right, let's go up top and enjoy the roof deck. Welcome to the roof deck. Up here you have your Starlink satellite internet mounted. Below it you have your Dometic AC. Over walkable solar panels here. You also have your Max Air fan up here. And again, this van's for sale, so if you want more information about it, please email us at sales@BrooklynCamperVans. We're going to be happy to chat with you.
Always a pleasure to have you on the channel. This van is awesome. I love the interior decor. I love the fact that it's 144-inch wheelbase and all-wheel drive. You can pretty much go anywhere you want. It's fully off the grid. I'll put links in the description. Thanks for joining us.
It'd be really great if I could have a mimosa. Ding!